Affiliate marketing. It's a term you might have heard about. If you're like me and you watch different make money online gurus, you might hear them saying things like, affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online. Or, affiliate marketing works to make money on so many different digital platforms. Or they claim to say things like, affiliate marketing is just so easy. And I would agree with these statements if affiliate marketing is done correctly. Now, if affiliate marketing is a completely new term to you and you're like, Kayla, what are you talking about right now? Let me explain it to you or introduce you to it. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy. And in this strategy, an individual or an affiliate in this case promotes somebody else's product and then they earn commission by doing so. So let me give you a quick little breakdown on how it exactly works. First, you sign up for an affiliate program of your choice, and then you receive a unique affiliate link. After that, you are going to take this link and promote it on various platforms. And when somebody makes a purchase using your link, you earn a commission. Now, just by watching this video, I don't guarantee you're going to start making loads and loads of money with affiliate marketing, because this is something that takes a little bit of time and commitment. However, I would consider it one of the lazier ways to be making money online. And if some of you know me, you know I love lazy ways to make money. So in this video, we are going to dive into a few different social media platforms and tie the art of affiliate marketing within them. And make sure to stay tuned because I will be saving my favorite for last. So let's start out with a social media platform that not a lot of people think of affiliate marketing when you think of this social media platform. And that is going to be Pinterest. Pinterest is going to be a visual discovery engine where users can save and create different pins and posts. And I just recently found out that you can do affiliate marketing with Pinterest, which is something that just blew my mind. But Pinterest is a great place to do this, especially if you're interested in fashion or DIY crafts or just overall lifestyle aesthetics. So within Pinterest, you just create different pins, and a pin is essentially a post, like you're posting on Instagram. However, I would like to think that Pinterest is kind of a less formal version of Instagram in a way. It's very laid back, it's chill. But Pinterest is also a very visual platform. So something that I like to think of Pinterest as is just a place where I can accumulate an aesthetic or a vibe, whether it be a vibe for how I want my kitchen to look, or it's an aesthetic for how I want to dress in the future. So within Pinterest, you can take these pins and these posts and you can save them into different boards. You can just kind of categorize them. And I myself am a huge Pinterest lover and I have so many different boards. So for example, I love the band The Doors, so I have a bunch of different pins saved at The Doors. That's so fun, right? So for example, we're on my Pinterest right here and I have a board for foods. So these are all just foods that I'd like to eat. So yummy, so scrumptious, right? Or right here, I have a board for different outfits and outfit inspiration. So that's just kind of an overall vibe on what exactly Pinterest is. But something that's very unique with this platform is the number of followers that you have isn't going to make or break your account. And that's something that's very different from a lot of different platforms, such as TikTok. You need a certain number of followers before you can go live and promote items on TikTok Shop. Or on YouTube, you need a certain number of subscribers before you can become a part of their YouTube Partner Program. So what truly matters within a Pinterest account and making money with the affiliate marketing method is just the engagement. So now let's just get you guys started on setting up your Pinterest account. The first thing you're going to want to do is create a business account on Pinterest. And you really want to make sure that it's a business account rather than a personal account, because this will give you access to various advertising features, which we want when we're doing affiliate marketing. Next, you're going to want to pick the niche or the topic of your account or profile. But when you're coming up with a niche, make sure to keep in the back of your mind what type of products can I relate to these posts. So think to yourself, for an example, I want to start a Pinterest account that has to do with beauty. Then you're going to want to ask yourself, are there affiliate products within the beauty niche that I can be promoting? And if the answer is yes, then this could potentially be a great niche to go into. And of course, this isn't the only determining factor when picking out a niche. However, it can be a very helpful tip to kind of just keep in your mind. So with this being said, make sure that these affiliate products are not only on the market, but they are also in demand as well, because you want people to want these products. Next, you're going to optimize your profile with a profile picture that relates to your niche and makes sense, and with a clear bio stating why you're here. Always make sure to include keywords that fit within your niche. Now, the second step is going to be creating these compelling images and pins for your account. You can create eye-catching posts on a place like Canva. And then you're going to want to make sure to use different high quality images and text fonts and sizes and make everything eye-catching and appealing. And this, in my opinion, is a really fun step where you can really try to test the waters here and play around. Now, I am by no means an expert on creating different pins. However, I did do a little bit of research on how to exactly create these pins on Canva. And a really cool way to mass produce different pins I found out is you start out on Canva, you go on Canva, open Canva, okay? And then you create a doc. And once you create this doc, you will see a little plus button, and when you hit this plus button, you hit Magic Write. And the Magic Write tool is basically an AI tool where you can type in what you want to be created and they will create it for you. So this could mean a lot of things. You could create different inspirational quotes, or words of wisdom, or tips on how to run an Instagram account. So you would just put into this prompt machine, give me 100 inspirational quotes, and they could do that for you. And then you can play around a little bit with all the designs and the different fonts and the colors and everything. Now, if your posts are going to be in Word format rather than like a landscape photo or just pictures in general, you could also use ChatGPT to brainstorm different posts and different quotes. Posts and quotes, woo! And using different AI tools, you could create a post like this. And it just says, I attract amazing opportunities wherever I go. And using the correct keywords is going to be essential here because this will help your posts reach the right audience. And we really want an audience that is going to be interested in our niche because then chances are they're going to be interested in the affiliate products that we're promoting. The next step is going to be simply joining different affiliate programs. So like I was saying before, you want to look for affiliate programs that are related to your niche, whether it be home decor or fitness or fashion. And then once you find these affiliate products and you get these affiliate links, you can promote them within your posts and your boards. But let's talk about how do we find these affiliate products to promote? How do we do it? To find various affiliate products, you can simply just search your niche and then put affiliate programs. So it could be beauty affiliate programs, or you could search fashion affiliate programs. So it just really depends on what your niche is going to be. And so many different companies have affiliate programs, whether it be Amazon or Shopify or even Walmart. Now, I did a little bit of research here and I found some more specific affiliate programs that you could research. And the platform of Sonos has a technology related affiliate program. And then for home decoration and decor, you can head on over to Wayfair because they have an affiliate program for that. And then Blick Art Materials has a program for different crafts and DIYs. And there are just so many other companies out there that have affiliate marketing programs because it's good for their business to do it. So let's say you had a Pinterest account and your niche was self-help. And within this account, you're posting pictures such as the pin that I showed earlier with the words of affirmation. If you're doing this niche, you might want to promote products such as self-help guides. You could even promote different digital products, which is something that I highly recommend doing. And something even better is finding high-ticket digital products such as maybe courses, because with these products, you generally get a higher commission and overall just more money per sale that you make. Or getting even a little bit crazier, which isn't affiliate marketing, you could create your own digital products or physical products even. And this could be things like a journal or a course or art or templates and etc. And then once you create a pin and you post it, you just want to make sure to put that affiliate link within the post. You can even create different call to actions, meaning you want people to be encouraged to click on the link that you're promoting. And with a lot of different social media platforms, consistency is going to be your best friend when it comes to just pumping out content. But you want to make sure that your content is also quality as well as consistent. Now, enough talk about Pinterest because I do love it so much. Let's move on over to affiliate marketing within Instagram. Instagram is also going to be a platform that is highly visual. And it's a perfect platform for just promoting different products and lifestyle. When I go on Instagram, it's expected and it's just a given that I'm going to run into a lot of different products that are being sold and a lot of different affiliate links. However, this isn't necessarily a bad thing because I find a lot of great products through Instagram and through people's affiliate links. For example, on my Instagram, I follow a bunch of different beauty and lifestyle gurus. And within these creators' posts, they use our special tool of affiliate marketing. But places such as Instagram, as well as YouTube and TikTok, are a lot of the times how I found out how to do my skincare for my skin. Or it's where I've learned how to do my makeup and which products to use to make it look the best. But Instagram is just such a great place for affiliate marketing because it's a place for a lot of inspiration and even learning, like I said, with makeup. So let's talk about how to effectively use affiliate marketing within Instagram. So the first step is going to be creating engaging content. So you want to be creating high quality content. And then within this content, you're going to squeeze in showing these different affiliate products and show how they fit into your lifestyle, how they fit into the niche of the account. And I would also suggest to not post just the affiliate product that you're promoting because this can come off a little money hungry or stingy. And then just like Pinterest, consistency is also going to be key within Instagram as well. Because when you consistently post on Instagram, it can boost your posts and the algorithm. The next step is going to be utilizing all the different kinds of ways that you can post on Instagram. So this means not only posting on your feed, but posting on your stories and your highlights and your reels. And within your stories, you can even create different polls to engage your viewers and add little interactive features just to make sure people are like, woo, I like to be on this account. I don't know. Also, make sure to save affiliate-related content within the highlights section of your stories. This way, people can come back to these links and see them. And lastly, you're going to want to optimize your Instagram bio. So make sure to include this affiliate link within your bio to really promote it. But you can also use something like a URL shortener, which you can just find on Google, to help you track the clicks. And just overall within your account, keep making sure to share different product recommendations. And make sure to highlight the benefits of these products that you're promoting. You wouldn't want to make the products that you're promoting look bad because then people just simply wouldn't want to buy them. Now, in all honesty, affiliate marketing within Pinterest and Instagram are kind of similar, so you could interchange some of these steps that I talked about, such as finding different affiliate products to promote. Just think about what your niche is and then look that niche up on Google and then add in affiliate programs. So you could search beauty affiliate programs, fashion affiliate programs, just like we did with Pinterest. Now, like I promised, I saved my favorite social media platform for last, which some of you might be able to guess, and that is going to be YouTube. YouTube is going to be the second largest search engine globally, making it a powerful platform for different affiliate marketers to create engaging content. And YouTube is personally my favorite platform to create your online business because it just opens up so many doors. For example, my brother started his online business journey through YouTube, and he did this while he was still in high school. Now, his main channel is going to be called Make Money Matt if you want to check him out, but just creating one YouTube channel led him down so many different paths that also got him so many different YouTube plaques with his various automated YouTube channels. And for example, they're right behind me, right there. But with his channels, he found out that he could take his content to the next level and start creating a course to teach people how to grow on YouTube. And his course is called To Mastery and Monetization if you're interested in starting a YouTube channel. But something that's unique about his course is you could also get an affiliate link for it and promote it within your own Instagram account or your own YouTube channel or Pinterest account even. I'll make sure to link his course in the description below if you want to check it out or grab an affiliate link for it. But let's talk about how to start this YouTube channel. And the first step is going to be, of course, creating the channel. So you want to create a YouTube channel that is focused on one niche, just like we talked about with Instagram and with Pinterest. Now make sure to stay tuned because I do have a video at the end of this video that really goes more in depth on how to start your YouTube channel. So this is just basically on a surface level. But once you've found your niche for your channel, you're going to want to think about how do you want to create content? Do you want to sit down in front of a camera and make this content? Or do you want to go the faceless route where you can use different stock photos and videos and do a voiceover? Whatever your channel is and whatever type of content you're making, make sure to optimize your channel with relevant keywords because just like Instagram and Pinterest, this branches our content out to the correct audience. Also make sure to clearly state within your content that you are using affiliate links. So when you're promoting different affiliate links and products, you could even sit down and create videos reviewing these certain products. But always make sure to provide valuable and honest opinions. And then whenever you post a video, make sure to include that affiliate link within the description of the video. And overall with a YouTube channel, make sure to engage within your viewers, whether that be just responding to comments, because this can create a sense of a community within your channel. But using affiliate marketing within a YouTube channel is such a smart way to start making money the second you create your YouTube channel. And you heard me correctly, you don't have to wait until you get monetized by YouTube. You can just simply start out with affiliate marketing and make money right off the bat potentially. But overall, affiliate marketing is such an excellent way for beginners to start making money online. And by leveraging platforms like YouTube or Instagram or Pinterest, you can reach a broader audience to promote these affiliate links too. And more specifically, promoting products within one niche and within one audience. Remember to always disclose your affiliate relationships transparently and just truly focus on providing value to your audience. Now, with a lot of these various platforms, the biggest struggle that people run into is growing these platforms and growing these platforms to reach an audience that will buy from their affiliate links. Now, this can be a struggle, but with the correct steps, you can potentially grow these platforms in no time. However, it does take a little bit of research and some work. You can't just click a button and start making money online. However, I wish that was the case. So I wanted to make sure to create a video right here that talks about how to make money with YouTube without even having to make videos. Make sure to check it out because there are a ton of different great tips and tricks within it, and it's also my brother's video, so make sure to give it a click. Thank you and goodbye. Bye. Bye. Bye.